Here's how to check credit score in HSBC mobile app. First, open the HSBC mobile app on your smartphone and sign in securely using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard or home screen, where your available banking products and credit cards are displayed. Next, select the relevant credit card or look for a section such as Credit Services or Credit Management, depending on the version of the HSBC app available in your region. From there, scroll through the available options or tap More to access additional information. You may find details related to your credit profile, statements, or credit score if the feature is available for your account and region. Keep in mind that HSBC app features and menu names can vary depending on your country, banking services, and app version. If you don't see a credit score option, check the available credit management features in your app or contact HSBC for guidance. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. Thanks.